Could the upcoming bank earnings reports hold surprises in store? Let's dissect the projections and hop onto the roller coaster of numbers and trends. The fourth quarter of 2023 has been a fascinating period for leading banks. The outlook for these institutions, however, remains somewhat clouded due to factors such as weak economic growth and geopolitical tensions. Yet, high interest rates continue to offer a silver lining. JPMorgan Chase Co, Citigroup Inc, Wells Fargo Company, and Bank of America are all scheduled to release their earnings reports for the fourth quarter. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley are set to follow suit soon after. JP Morgan, the titan of Wall Street, is projected to have earnings of $3.40 per share on revenue of $39.8 billion for the fourth quarter of 2023. This is a slight decrease compared to earnings of $3.57 per share on revenue of $34.5 billion reported in the previous year's same quarter. Citigroup, another heavyweight, is estimated to report earnings of 88 cents per share on revenue of $18.8 billion for the fourth quarter. This is a dip from the $1.16 per share on revenue of $18 billion in the prior year quarter. Wells Fargo, known for its strong retail banking operations, is predicted to have earnings of $1.20 per share on revenues of $20.3 billion for the fourth quarter. This marks a significant rise from 67 cents per share on revenue of $19.6 billion, reported in the same period a year ago. Bank of America, a pillar in the banking sector, is projected to have earnings per share of 64 cents for the fourth quarter, a decrease from 85 cents in the year-ago quarter. Revenues are projected to be $24 billion, almost on par with the $24.5 billion reported last year. Goldman Sachs, a leader in investment banking, is projected to have earnings of $3.33 per share on revenue of $10.8 billion for the fourth quarter. This is closely matched with earnings of $3.32 per share on revenue of $10.59 billion reported in the last year's fourth quarter. Finally, Morgan Stanley, a giant in wealth management, is estimated to report earnings of $1.04 per share on revenue of $12.8 billion in the fourth quarter. This is a slight decrease from earnings per share of $1.26 on revenue of $12.75 billion in the year-ago quarter. In summary, the banking sector's upcoming earnings reports present a mixed bag of projections. While some banks are expected to report growth, others may see a decline compared to the previous year. This variation underscores the complex dynamics at play in the banking sector and the broader economy. Keep an eye out for these reports to get a pulse of the financial world's health and direction.